Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss a problem. It is related to calculus. The position of an object moving along x-axis is given by x equal to a plus bt square, where a equal to 8.5 meter, b equal to 2.5 meter per second square, and t is measured in seconds. What is its velocity at t equal to 0 second and t equal to 2 second? What is its average velocity between t equal to 2 second and t equal to 4 seconds? So there are two questions, question A and question B. First we are going to find the answer of question A. Okay, we are going to find the velocity. For finding velocity, now we are going to find the velocity. Okay, so finding velocity, we have x equal to a plus bt square. The equation is given. X means it is position. So position is given, the equation for position is given. To find velocity from the position, we need to differentiate it. Differentiation means it is a study of change of position with respect to time. D by dt means it is a study of a quantity with respect to time. D by dx means study of change of a quantity with respect to x. Here we are going to study the change of a quantity with respect to time, that is dx by dt. Dx by dt is rate of change of displacement because x is displacement. Here the x is displacement, so if we are doing dx by dt, it is rate of change of displacement. We already discussed differentiation means it is a study of change. Here we are studying change with respect to time, that's why we are using d by dt. D by dt means study of a variable with respect to time. Here the variable is x, so we are going to find d by dt of x. Okay, d by dt of x means it is velocity because x is displacement. Rate of change of displacement is velocity. So here this is the equation, d by dt of x equal to velocity. Okay, now we are going to differentiate it. D by dt of what is the value of x? X is a plus bt square. So d by dt of a plus bt square. We are going to differentiate it. For differentiating, we need to split it into two terms. There are two terms here, a plus a and bt square. A is another term and bt square is, a is one term and bt square is another term. So it is a plus bt square. Okay, so we are going to break the bracket here. So it will be, it is velocity, so it will be d by dt of a plus d by dt of bt square equal to velocity. When we are differentiating, we are going to get velocity because it is rate of change of displacement. Okay, first we are going to find d by dt of a. We already discussed differentiation means study of change. A is a constant. Constant is not going to change. So what will be the differentiation of a? 0, because there is no change. So it will be 0 plus d by dt of bt square. We are going to change the equation again. B is a constant. We cannot differentiate constant, so we are taking that constant outside. So it will be b into d by dt of t square. T square, b into d by dt of t square equal to velocity. Okay, now we need to differentiate this t square. For that we are going to learn an equation. So we are going to write a general equation, d by dt of t raised to n. D by dt of t raised to n is n into t raised to n minus 1. That's the equation. D by dt of t raised to n is equal to n into t raised to n minus 1. Then what about d by dt of t square? It will be 2 into t raised to 2 minus 1. T raised to 2 minus 1 is t raised to 1. It will be d by dt of t square equal to 2 into t. D by dt of t square is equal to 2t because d by dt of t square is equal to 2 into t raised to 2 minus 1. Then it will be d by dt of t square is equal to 2 into t. T raised to 2 minus 1 is t raised to 1. Okay, so what is the differentiation of t square here? It will be 2t. So we are changing it again. Okay, 2bt. Here already there is a b and d by dt of t square is 2t. So it will be 2bt equal to velocity. Okay, we need to find the velocity at t equal to 0 second and at t equal to 2 second. T equal to 0 second and t equal to 2 second. So first we are finding velocity, the equation, we got the equation, velocity is equal to 2bt, the time is 0 second. First one, time is 0 second. What is the value of b? The value of b is given 2.5, so it will be b equal to 2.5 meter per second, and we are substituting this value here. It will be 2 into 2.5 into 0. When we are multiplying with 0, the entire value will be 0. So velocity is 0 meter per second at t equal to 0. Now we need to find the velocity at t equal to 2. T equal to 2 second, b equal to 2.5, which is given in the question. Then we can write the velocity. Velocity is equal to 2 into 2.5 into 2. The equation is 2bt. We are substituting 2. The value of b is 2.5. The value of t is 2 seconds. So 2 into 2.5 into 2, which is equal to 10 meter per second. This is the velocity at t equal to 2 second, and t equal to 0 second, the velocity is 0 meter per second. Okay, now we have solved the first part of the question. Now we can move forward. We are going to solve it. We are going to solve the second part of the question. Here we need to find what is the average velocity between t equal to 2 second and t equal to 4 second. Okay, there is an equation for average velocity. Average velocity is equal to x4 minus x2 by t4 minus t2. Why we are taking x4 here? Because the time is 4 second and time is 2 seconds. So it will be x4 and x2 and t4 and t2. Depends on the question. If t equal to 3 second, then we can take x3. Okay, first we are finding x4. First we are writing the equation for x, which is given in the question. X equal to a plus bt square. And what is the value of a? A is 8.5, right? T2 is 2 second. First we are going to find the value of first we are going to consider the time 2 second. T2 equal to 2 second, and a is equal to 8.5, which is given in the question, right? And b equal to 2.5 meter per second square, which is given in the question. We are substituting all the values in the equation. It will be x2 equal to, right? We are considering t equal to 2 second, then it will be x2. x2 equal to a is 8.5 plus bt square. B is 2.5 into t square is 2 square. Okay, then when we are solving it, we will get x2 equal to 18.5 meter. We got x2 now. Now what about x4? Time is, the equation is x equal to a plus bt square, and t4 is equal to 4 second, right? T is equal to 4 second, so t4 is equal to 4 second, and a is given in the question 8.5 meter, and b is 2.5 meter per second square. It is also given in the question, right? And x4 is equal to, what is the value of a? 8.5 plus, what is the value of b? 2.5 into, what is the value of t? 4, so it will be 4 square. When we are solving it, we will get 48.5 meter. Okay, 2.5 into 4 square is 40, and plus 8.5, it is 48.5 meter. Now we got the value of x4, we got the value of x2, and we have the value of t4 and t2. Now we can find the average velocity, right? Average velocity equal to, equation is x4 minus x2 by t4 minus t2, right? What is the value of x4? 48.5. 48.5 minus x2 is 18.5. 18.5 divided by, and what about t4? T4 is 4 second minus t2 is 2 second. When we are solving it, 48.5 minus 18.5 divided by 4 minus 2, which is equal to 30 by 2 equal to 15 meter per second. So here average velocity is 15 meter per second. So we have solved the both problems. Okay.